Morning students. So today I'm going to discuss about lines and angles, chapter 9. So lines and angles, chapter 9 in line class. Line class. So this is the first of all I want to discuss about few terms based on previous classes. First of all, what is meant by line? What is meant by line? First of all comes the first starting with lines. So that's why what is meant by a line? Is meant by so here I want to represent this line. How do you know? Suppose even as this is a point and this one is also another point. So these two are 2 points. So in between, I am representing one more point. In between these two, one. In between these two, one. And here also one. And this is also one. Between I am going to represent lines, sorry, points. So see in between one. Finally, it will become as. Finally, it will become as. Now you can see, you can observe. So finally, it will become as a line. Finally, it will become as a line. Is it clear? Now here, how many points are there? Here, how many points are there in this line? How many points I represent there? How many points? How many number of points? So you don't know exactly, even though I don't know exactly. So that's why you call a line means collection of infinite points. Infinite points. Whatever it may be, a line is collection of infinite points. Then what is meant by a point? Collection of infinite points. Then what is meant by a point? A point means a less dot in a dimension. A less dot in a dimension is called as a point. Less dot in a dimension is called as a point. So point has always represented by capital alphabets. The point has no dimensions. Dimensions means like length, breadth, width, height, whatever it may be. There is no dimensions for the point. Now comes the line. So a line. So this one. First of all, a line means collection of infinite points. Collection of infinite points. Now comes the how we can represent a line. And there comes the properties of line. First of all, properties of line. Properties of line. So, properties of line, what is that first property? A line has no end point. It can extend it on both ends up to infinitely. You can extend up to infinitely, no problem. Left side you can extend up to infinitely, right side you can extend up to infinitely. So, a line has no end point. Line has no end point. A line has no end point. And then comes to how you can represent a line. Suppose you can assume this is a line. So this is a line. No end points means you can represent these two arrow marks. This is a point A and this is point B. Then how you can represent line AB. So representation of line AB is like this. Is it clear? And a line has no definite length. So there is no particular size of the length. Why? Because a line can be extended on both ends. Suppose you are taking up to here only, so I want to extend this side up to infinitely. Then this one is also up to infinitely. That's why a line has no limit. So you can extend up to where you want. You can extend up to that place. So this is about line. Then comes the remaining parts of the line. So next one is line segment. Line segment. Now what is meant by a segment? Segment means it is a part. Now line segment means a part of the line. Suppose you can see now. So here you can observe. This is suppose you can observe this chalk is a line. You can assume this one is a line. You can extend up to infinitely, no problem. So then I can divide into two parts. I can divide into two parts. This is one segment and this is another segment. So now comes to this one again one more. So now comes to the middle part. Now this is a line. No. So why? Because there is no extension point here also. There is no extension point. So that's why it has how many endpoints? So two endpoints. It has a particular length. It has a particular length. So comes to the line segment. Segment means part. So a part of line is called line segment. A part of line is called as a line segment, and a part of suppose example AB. Suppose here you can take this is line AB. Now we can divide into two parts, three parts, whatever you can divide like this. Now this one you can assume it as PQ. It has how many endpoints? Two endpoints. There is no way to extend this one. So that's why there is a 2 points. How many endpoints? Anna? So two endpoints. Two endpoints. Now how we can represent the line segment? Suppose same like this. This is P and this is Q. These two are the line segments. Then we can represent like this. Line segment PQ. So simply you can represent 2 points on the end of the two sides of the line. Is it clear? Two endpoints. To make it as a like this is a representation of the line segment. Is it clear? Any doubt in this? Very nice. Next comes to the next part. Already you know in previous classes on these definitions. I think so. So now it comes to the line segment. Line segment. Line segment completed. Now comes to the third one. Wait. Comes to the third one. Already you know very well about this ray. Where you can observe. Can you observe any place this ray? Examples of rays: X-ray, Y-ray, alpha rays, beta rays, gamma rays, whatever it may be. So when you can go to any theater, suppose you are watching a movie in theater. You are watching a movie. So in that one room is there. That room is called as projector room. Projector room means. So from this room, this is screen. You think this is screen. You can assume this is the screen. So the rays will be coming from projector room to when the screen is appear, then the rays always travel. Is it clear? So that's why how many endpoints here? Suppose one endpoint. So if screen is not there, then it can be goes like this. There is no endpoint for this one. There is no endpoint for this one. So similarly, torch. These are the examples of the rays. So now, in a line segment or in a line which contains only one endpoint. Another end is extension is there. Another end is one is endpoint. Another one is extension point. So there is no limit for the second side of the line. So the lines which are having only one endpoint. Only one endpoint. The lines which are having only one endpoint. So suppose here you can see line means there is no endpoints. So that means only one endpoint is there. Then it is called as a ray. It is called as a ray. Now, so how you can represent a ray? Suppose A, you can assume this is B. Now represent how you can represent ray AB, one endpoint and one arrow. Ray AB. Is it clear, students? What is the first one? Line. What is meant by line? A line is a collection of infinite points. A line is a collection of infinite points. So it can be extended on both ends. There is no endpoints per line. No problem. You can say in another words, there is no endpoints per the line. A line has different. So it can be extended on both sides. Now comes to the line segment. A line segment means what? A line segment means a part of the line is called as a line segment. Part of the line is called as a line segment. And then comes to the how you know how you represent. Already you know how you can represent a line segment, and then a line, and then after that it comes to the ray. Third one is ray. So what is meant by ray? A line which has only one endpoint. The lines which are having only one endpoint, those are called as like rays. Those are called as rays. So example, movie theater. I mean theater. You can observe this one in project from the project room to screen, and second one is touch lamp. Is it clear? So next one is now first of all, what is meant by point? What is meant by point? A point means less dot in a dimension. Then comes to the collinear points. Collinear points. Already you know very well about this collinear. Colleague means nearby. Colleague means nearby. I mean, according to your co-worker, I can say collinear. Lean means one. Lean means one. Collinear points. Collinear points. Linear means you can assume that three or more points. Three or more points. Collinear points are collinear points. What is meant by linear means one, collinear means side by side, side by side. So three or more points lies on one line. One line or one line segment or one ray, whatever it may be. So how many minimum, how many? Three, more than maximum, we don't know, whatever it may be. Suppose example. So you can assume this is the line. You can assume that this is the line. So this is A, this is B, and then this is C. Here you can see all these 3 points. All these 3 points lie on same line or same line segment. Same line or same line segments. Then these 3 points are called as A, B, and C are called as collinear points. A, B, C are called as collinear points. Is it clear? Suppose here you can observe. Now this is A, this is B, and this is C. These 3 are collinears. Suppose you can join all these 3 points. So here how many line segments are there? This is one line segment and this is one line segment. So then this is not, these 3 are not a collinear points. These 3 are called as non-collinear points. These 3 are called as non-collinear points. Now once again I am going to recall what is meant by collinear points. So 3 or more than 3 points lie on the same line segment. 3 or more than 3 points. I'm representing here only 3 points. You can take more than 3, no problem. 3 or more than 3 points are lies on the same line segment or same line, whatever it may be. So these points are called as collinear points. If 3 or more points does not lie at the same line segment, then those points are called as non-collinear points. Non-collinear points. Is it clear? Collinear and non-collinear? Okay, very nice. Now comes the different types of lines. Next comes to the types of lines. Types of lines. How many types of lines are there? So Sar is saying that a line is a collection of points, but in that how many types are there? We don't know. So just here you can see first one is parallel lines. Parallel lines. here you can represent these lines can be represented like this. Parallel means this. So when you are observing these two definition from, I am saying definition from these two. Suppose, for example, parallel lines means best friends in a class. Best friends in a class. These two friends are never getting anger each other. Never getting anger each other. So if one is doing anything wrong, then automatically second person is nothing bother about this, whatever it may be, what he is doing, we don't know that one. So always these two members are going in an adjustment manner. Okay, adjustment manner. Okay, now clear. Suppose you can see now. So parallel lines means suppose these two are two lines. This is like AB. This is line AB, and second one is line PQ. Is it clear? First one is line AB and second one is line PQ. So here two definitions are there. One is very well known definition and second one is somewhat difficult definition. Not a difficult. So but here one is exact definition and second one is somewhat liberal definition. So first of all I am going to discuss about the liberal definition. So what is meant by parallel lines means? If two lines never intersecting at any point, if two lines never intersects at any point. Suppose here you can see, so these two are the two lines. These two are the two lines. Now you can extend these two. These two are never intersecting at any place. So then these lines are called as parallel lines. Is it clear? If two lines are extended, whatever it may be, if two lines are never intersect, then those lines are called as parallel lines. One more second definition is the perpendicular distance. Suppose from here to here distance is perpendicular means exactly it can represent 90 degrees. The perpendicular distance here you can assume this one is 5 meters, and similarly here also you can assume this one also 5 meters. Here also you can take 5 meters. So here also you can take 5 meters. The perpendicular distance between two lines always equal. This is the exact definition. The perpendicular distance between two lines is always equal. Those lines are called as parallel lines. Those lines are called as parallel lines. Once again, I am going to perpendicular distance. So this symbol is represented perpendicular. So perpendicular distance always equal. I mean equal at any place. Equal at any place between these two lines. Between these two lines. The perpendicular distance always equal. Then those lines are called as, here AB and PQ are called as parallel lines. AB and PQ are called as parallel lines. So these parallel lines are represented like this. Two bars. Is it clear? Now comes to the intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. Okay. Already we know parallel lines. Then what is meant by intersecting lines? It is exactly opposite to the parallel lines. Not exactly. No. Suppose here you can take two lines like AB and then second one is line PQ. Is it clear? So now this point is, you can assume it as 2. So that means, so if two lines having the common vertices, then those lines are called as intersecting lines. And then, so this point is called as point of intersection. This vertices is called as point of intersection. Once again, I am going to recall this one. If two lines are having common vertices, here you can see PQ, POQ. Here O is there. Similarly, AOB, here also O is there. So then this is the common end vertices, then this vertices is called as point of intersection or intersecting point. Intersecting point. Intersecting point. Is it clear? Intersecting point. Now comes to the next one. Perpendicular lines. So perpendicular lines. So perpendicular. This symbol denotes perpendicular lines. This symbol denotes the perpendicular lines. Similarly, here you can see, you can assume this is A, this is B, and then this is another line. This is another ray now. This is another ray. So, what is the angle? I mean, no problem here. This is the angle. This is another line. This is PQ. You can assume it as PQ. Here also there is a common vertex is there. Here you can assume this common vertex. Then this one is point of intersection or intersecting point, whatever it may be. Sorry, you can assume it as intersecting point. So now here angle. Here there is no angle. I mean there is no particular angle in this intersecting lines. Here perpendicular means exactly the intersecting point. Angle at the intersecting point is exactly 90 degrees, then those lines are called as perpendicular. Those lines are called as perpendicular lines. Is it clear now? Types of lines is completed. Types of lines is clear. Then comes to the next topic. Angles. Angles. Now, already you know very well about these angles. First of all, what is meant by angle? What is meant by angle? So now, what is meant by angle? What is meant by angle now? So angle is a word comes from the word. Angle is a word comes from the word, which is called angulus in Latin language. Angulus. So angle is a word come from angulus. This word is comes from which language? Latin language. Latin language. In Latin language, angulus means the joining of two words. The joining of two words. The joining of two words. Suppose you can assume this is a word and this is another word. The joining of two words. So now, joining of two words means this place. Here you can see this joining place is called as angle. This joining place is called as angle. So now according to our books, now what is meant by angle means the inclination of two lines. The inclination of two lines is called as an angle. Is it clear? Inclination of two lines is called as angle. Inclination, this word is important. Inclination of two lines is called as angle. Now comes the next topic. Types of angles. Types of angles. Already we know so many types are there. You know very well. I think you are done from 5th class onwards. I think so. 5th or 4th, whatever it may be. 5th class onwards. Here you can see. First one is zero angle. And one more thing I am explaining. Sorry to say this one. So angles always represented with the symbol theta. Angles always represented with the symbol theta, and then angles is always measured in anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction. So this is a clockwise direction. This represents clockwise direction, and then this one represents anti-clockwise direction. Is it clear? So angle can be represented with the symbol of theta, with the letter of with the symbol of theta, and then here you can see. So the angles always measured in anti-clockwise direction. That is more important. The angles are always measured in anti-clockwise direction. Now comes to the types of angles. Types of angles. So already you know so many types are there. So according to your knowledge, according to our knowledge, so zero angle. So zero angle. So zero angle means, so here you can see, suppose for example, angle can be found here, that's why you can represent it as theta. And then here there is no, these two are O, A and this one is B. So here OA and OB are arms. OA and OB are called as arms. O is called as common vertex and theta represents the angle. Theta represents the angle. Zero angle means there is no angle between these two arms. There is no angle between these two arms. Suppose this is one arm and then this is second arm. There is no angle between. There is no gap between these two. Now you can observe there is no angle. There is no angle. So that means theta equals to 0 degrees. Theta equals to 0 degrees. That means this angle represents 0 degrees. Theta represents 0 degrees. Then those angles are called as zero angles. Second one comes to the acute angle. Acute angle. Here you can observe, I am going to construct one more diagram. So this one is 0 degrees, that means there is no, this one is 90, this one is 180 degrees, and this one is 270 degrees, and finally this one is 360 degrees. So angles are always measured in anti-clockwise direction. So that's why the angle lies, the angle can be calculated in this direction, anti-clockwise direction. Now, zero angle means there is no angle between the two arms. There is no angle between the two arms. Then comes to the acute angle means the angle lies between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. 0 degrees and 90 degrees. That means this area less than 0, greater than 0, and then this place. The angle lies between this place, then it is acute angle. This is called as acute angle. Now here you can represent 0 degrees less than theta less than 90 degrees. That means theta lies between 0 and 90 degrees. 0 and 90 degrees. Then those angles are called as acute angles. Suppose for example 81 degree less than 91, 81 less than 90, then it is acute angle. Then it is acute angle. Is it clear, students? Yes, very good. Suppose 1 degree more than 0 degrees, then it is called as acute angle. Suppose 89 degrees, 89. This one is also acute angle. This one is also acute angle. Why? Because less than 90 and greater than 0, then it is acute angle. Then comes the third one, right angle. Right angle. Already you know very well, if theta equals to exactly 90 degrees, then you can see this symbol. Theta equals to exactly 90 degrees. So that means the angle between two arms is 90 degrees. The angle between two arms is 90 degrees. Then those angles are called as right angles. Those angles are called as right angles. Then comes to the fourth one. What is fourth one? So fourth one is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. So up to this part is completed. Now the angle lies between more than 90 degrees, and less than 180 degrees. So 90 degrees less than theta less than 180 degrees. 90 degrees less than theta less than 180 degrees. That means more than 90 and less than 180 degrees. Then those angles are called as obtuse angles. Suppose here you can see 179 degrees. 170 means less than 180 only, and more than 90. Then those angles are called as obtuse angles. Suppose 99 degrees. 99 degrees. Yes, it is also obtuse angle. Next, fifth one comes to the straight angle. Straight angle. Straight angle means if theta equals to exactly 180 degrees. If theta equals to exactly 180 degrees, then those angles are called as straight angles. Those angles are called as straight angles. So this one is 90 degrees and this one is also 90 degrees. When you are observing this semicircular symbol, then it is represents straight angle. Next comes to the sixth one. So sixth one is reflex angle. Sixth one is reflex angle. Reflex angle means if theta, sorry, 180 degrees less than theta less than 360 degrees. That means the angle lies between 180 and 360 degrees. So this is zero only when the angle can be completed one complete rotation, one complete cycle, then it is representing zero representing 180, 360 degrees. That means complete angle. So here you can see the angle lies between more than 180 and less than 360 degrees. Then those angles are called as reflex angles. Those angles are called as reflex angles. Is it clear? Next comes to the seventh one. Seventh one is complete angle. Complete angle means one circle completed, one rotation completed. Then angle equals to how much? Angle equals to 360 degrees. Then those angles are called as complete angles. Once again, listen, what is meant by angle? Angle means the inclination of two line segments. Two lines are called as angle. Angles are represented with the symbol theta. And then angles always measure in anti-clockwise direction. Now comes to the types of angles. So first of all, zero angle. There is no angle between two arms is called as zero angle. So the angle lies between 0 degrees and 90 degrees is called as acute angle. So this one can be represented 0 less than theta less than 90 degrees. Next one, right angle. If the angle is exactly theta equals to 90 degrees, those angles are called as right angles. Next one, obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means the angle lies between more than 90 and 180 degrees. The angle lies between 90 and 180. That means more than 90 and less than 180 degrees. Those angles are called as obtuse angles. And then straight angle. Straight angle, if theta equals to exactly 180 degrees, then those angles are called as right angle. Straight angles. Comes to the reflex angle. Reflex angle means if the angle lies between more than 180 degrees and less than 360 degrees, those angles are called as reflex angle. And finally, complete angle. Complete angle means if exactly theta equals to 360 degrees, then those angles are called as complete angles. Okay, students. Now you have any doubts, so you can send a message or mail to me. My mail ID is naresh.rcenter@gmail.com. So my personal mobile number is 9491654321. So if you have any doubts or any queries, you post to my number or to my mail, no problem, students. So today I am going to conclude my class. If you have any doubts, okay, thank you, students.